Hello po! For today's vlog, I am going to show you how to make fermented garlic with honey. It has antifungal, antiviral, antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, boost your immune system. It also remedy for cold, flu, and sore throat. I hope you like this recipe, and I tell you, this is gonna boost your immune system. It's really good. I hope you try it. You must try it. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.